Everyone, welcome to Stars of Knowledge on the channel. I hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. Well, I'm here with the review of today's exam, that is 12th August 2021, for both morning and the evening slot, academic and a general training, and few answers at the end of this video. So let's start our today's review. For the morning slot, in the listening, part 1 there were fill in the blanks. Part 1 was easy. In part 2 there were multiple choice questions and a table to complete, and part 2 of listening was easy. Part 3 there were large multiple choice questions with a mixed review, easy and easy to moderate. And for the part 4 there were fill in the blanks and those were easy. Your overall morning listening for academic exam was easy. Okay, let's further talk about the reading. For the morning reading academic, in passage 1 there were true, false, not given and fill in the blanks. Passage 1 was easy and the title was related to non-pesticides management of crops in India. For the passage 2 in the morning reading, there were match the information with paragraphs, selection of letters and multiple choice questions. Passage 2 was moderate and the title was related to underwater archaeological. Passage 3 there were multiple choice questions, yes, no, not given and a note completion. It was easy to moderate and the title was related to twins research work. Your overall 12th August 2021 morning reading was easy to moderate. Further moving on to the writing. Well, for the morning writing of today's exam, task 1, there was a 3 pie charts related to coffee production, coffee consumption and profits. And for the task 2, the topic was some people think the increasing business and cultural contact between countries brings many positive effects. Others say it causes the loss of national identities. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So this was the writing morning task for academic exam. Okay, that was the morning exam. Now let's talk about the evening for the today's 12th August 2021 evening slot exams. Well guys, listening academic, there were fill in the blanks, MCQs, again fill in the blanks, and listening for the evening exam was easy. Well, for the both morning academic and evening academic, listening was easy. For the journal training, there were fill-ups, short question answers, matching, MCQ and fill-ups again. And that was easy. For the evening journal training exam, listening was easy. If we talk about the reading academic for the evening slot, it was easy to moderate, little moderate than the morning one. For the journal training reading for the evening slot of today's exam, there were true, false, not given, match the statements from the paragraph, fill in the blanks, list of headings, MCQs and a summary completion. And evening journal training reading was easy to moderate, just a second passage was little tricky as per some students. Otherwise, nowadays exams are actually going very easy or easy to moderate. You're not going to get very complicated kind of exams. Okay, so that was the listening and reading of both academic and journal training for the evening slot. Okay, now let's talk about the evening academic writing module. Well, in the task 1, there was a bar and a line. And for the task 2, the topic was many different countries have most shops and products as the same. Some consider it a positive development, whereas others consider it negative. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So this is the writing task for the evening academic exam. Now let's talk about the journal training evening slot writing exam. Well, in the task 1, there was a formal letter which needs to be written to a shipping manager. It was about the damage of goods as you are in overseas and hired them to deliver some furniture and other possessions. Okay, so that means you are overseas and you ask somebody, a shipping company, to transfer you the furniture and the other things, and they were damaged. So you have to write a letter about those damaged goods to a shipping manager. And for the task 2, for the journal training evening exam, the topic was, some people believe that educational success depends on good teacher. Others think that it depends on the attitude of the students. Discuss both the views and give your opinion. Well, it's hard to choose on the one side. So this was for the journal training evening exam. So guys, here is the sample answer for the morning task 2 academic. It's a 7-band sample answer. You can just pause the video and just go through it so that you can get an idea what you have written or what you could have written or what somebody can write in the future if they do get this kind of a topic, or some topics may be related to this, how they can twist these things. So this is for the morning task 2 writing. And students, this is the sample answer for the writing task 2 evening slot academic. This is again a 7-band answer. So you can just pause the video and have a look through this sample answer. So guys, that's the complete review of today's exam of 12th August 2021. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you do like this video. If you do, please click on the like button. And also please subscribe our channel Stars of Knowledge Learner and do hit the bell icon so that you get a notification when we publish other videos. Thank you so much students for watching with this video. If you did your exam today, either morning or the evening slot, I wish you a best of luck for your results. And thank you so much students. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.